Hi, very good afternoon, my lovely students. Today I am going to show you how to hold the abacus tool and how to use right hand and left hand. So, first of all, who writes with right hand, right hand users kids should hold the tool with left hand like this. Index and middle upwards and others finger attached with the abacus kit, and pencil you have to hold like this. Acha. So in the ones place, the center rod is our ones place, right? In the ones place we have to use our right hand, and the left side rods, tens, 100, 1000, all the left side rods we have to use left hand. Now just see, we hold the kit with left hand like this, right? And we hold the pencil with right hand like this. So when we have to operate the ones place, we have to use right hand, thumb and index, these two fingers. Okay, you have to keep position like this. So when you are adding the lower beads, use right hand thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means +1, +2, +3, +4. When you are doing subtraction, that means just take away the lower beads, put it down. Just use index, right hand index. -1, -2, -3, -4. And when you have to add the upper bead, use right hand index. When you have to subtract upper bead 5, use right hand index. Both add less for right hand index upper bead. So if I say you add 2, use thumb. -2 index. Add 5 index. -5 index. Add 4 thumb. -4 index. Add 5 thumb. -5 index. Add 5 index. Add 3 thumb. So it is 8. If I say you 5 plus 1, 6. 5 index, 2 thumb, 7. Now you can see after 5 which numbers are coming, like 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to use both beads, like upper bead and lower bead are coming together or going together. So what you have to do, you have to use the action that is called pinch in. Just add with pinch in minus pinch out. How to do this? Add 6, pinch in, -6, pinch out. Add 7, pinch in, -7, pinch out. Add 8, pinch in, -8, pinch out. Add 9, pinch in, -9, pinch out. Okay, so if I say 1, use thumb, +6, pinch in action. 7. 7 minus 6, pinch out action. Okay, now when we have to go to the tens, 100, 1000, we have to use our left hand index and middle. For lower beads, left side rods, use index. Add 10, add 20, 30, 40. Okay, -10, -20, -30, -40. And what is the value of the upper bead? 50. Tens place we have to use middle. Add 50, less 50. So if I say you add 20, use left hand index. -20, left hand index. Add 50, left hand middle. -50, left hand middle. If I say you 60, 70, 80, 90, like both upper bead and lower bead both are coming together or going together, use the action that is called scissor in, scissor out. Scissor in for add 60. Scissor out for -60. Scissor in for add 70. Scissor out for -70. Scissor in for add 80. Scissor out for -80. Scissor in for add 90. Scissor out for less 90. Okay, like this same you have to use 100, 200, 300 left hand. Minus 100, minus 200, minus 300 upper bit with the left hand middle. All the left side rods, same left hand fingers you have to use. Thank you for watching my video. Let's see you in next video. Bye bye.